Today I'm finally organizing my craft corner, and as you can see, my beads and materials are scattered everywhere. It's time to tidy up and make everything neat and easy to find. I'm starting with my desk organizer. It's like a cute pen holder, and I even had faithful Artistry customized on it. First, I'm placing my scissors and glue inside so they're always within reach whenever I need them. Next, I'm sorting my earring raw materials. I like to keep everything separated so that making earrings becomes so much easier later. After that, I move on to the raw materials for the earrings themselves, tiny hooks, loops, and clasps, all neatly arranged. Now comes the fun part, my beads. I start with star-shaped beads, then different types of letter beads, and finally my mini mirrors and kundan pieces. I love seeing all these tiny colorful materials organized into their own compartments. It feels so satisfying. Slowly, I place everything into my new organizer, making sure each typo. Alright everyone, we're almost done with organizing. I hope you enjoyed watching me arrange all my beads and materials. Don't forget to like, share, and comment, and if you're new here, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss any future videos. Let me know in the comments how you liked this ASMR, and now let's check out how my new organized setup looks. I really hope you enjoyed it and that it gave you some inspiration for your own craft corner. Bye bye for now, and see you in the next video.